This video walks you through how to set up bank rules in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Banking. This opens the banking area where you can manage imported transactions and the rules that apply to them. From there, open Rules, then click the New Rule button to begin creating one. You will now be on the Rule Setup page. In the Rule Name field, enter a name that clearly identifies what this rule is meant to handle. Use a name that matches the type of transaction or condition you plan to use so it is easier to recognize later if you need to review or update it. Next, choose whether the rule should apply to deposits or withdrawals. This decides which kind of bank transaction the rule will look for. After that, select the transaction handling option. This setting determines what Zoho Books should do when a transaction matches the rule. So make sure the option you choose fits the way you want those transactions to be processed. After that, define the conditions that will trigger the rule. Select the criteria from the available options, then enter the value that should match. This could be a description, amount, or another transaction detail, depending on the criteria you select. If you are using more than one condition, make sure each one matches the transaction pattern you want the rule to catch. Once the trigger conditions are in place, move to the section that controls how the transaction will be recorded. Choose the record as type that matches the transaction you are automating. Then select the appropriate account. If a reference number is needed for the way you want the transaction recorded, enter it here as well. This part is important because it affects how the matched transaction appears in your books. Now go to Associate Accounts. In this section, select the bank account or accounts where this rule should apply. This is useful if you manage more than one account in Zoho Books and only want the rule to run against specific bank feeds. Make sure you choose the correct account before moving on, especially if the rule is intended for only one source of transactions. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will create the bank rule using the name, transaction type, conditions, recording method, and associated accounts you selected. After saving, the rule will be available in your rules list and can be used when matching eligible bank transactions. Your bank rule is now created in Zoho Books and assigned to the selected bank account or accounts.